A Superior Court judge says he mistakenly granted a motion to erase a criminal conviction from a North Providence man's record.
Hannah Cotter is live in East Providence. And Hannah, you were in court during the hearing today.
Shannon, Mike, it was an unusual hearing today in Superior Court with the judge reversing course on an expungement. But it's still unclear what led up to that, since that case is still unavailable on the court website. A quick hearing Monday morning in Providence Superior Court. Magistrate Judge John McBurney admitting he made a mistake in granting a motion to expunge a case from 35-year-old Joseph Simone's record, since he was not eligible to have his record purged of the criminal conviction.
After it was brought to my attention, I have reviewed the docket and the criminal record of Mr. Simone, as well as the affidavit in support of the motion to expunge signed by Mr. Simone. Based on my review, I have determined that I mistakenly granted the motion to expunge.
Records show in 2011, Simone was charged with impersonating a police officer, which is a felony, and later pled no contest.
Charged with impersonating a state trooper.
This 12 News archival video shows a then 22-year-old Simone in court. Neither Simone nor his attorney were in court Monday, but in a letter, Simone's attorney said he did not object to whatever the judge decided.
Why would somebody be ineligible to have a case expunged?
Roger Williams University School of Law professor Andrew Horowitz says while he's not familiar with the specifics of this case, generally speaking, the expungement process itself is pretty straightforward. What's not straightforward are the laws. He says in order to have a felony expunged, it has to fall within a certain category of felonies that qualify.
Beyond that, your rule of thumb is you have to wait for 10 years after you've completed the sentence, and it has to be the only thing that's on your criminal history where you were found guilty or you acknowledged guilt.
According to court records, Simone pled no contest to 24 additional felony charges in a separate case in 2014, including indecent solicitation of a child and child pornography. He was sentenced to 1 year in prison and 2 on home confinement. And we reached out to the AG's office and Simone's attorney for comment, but did not hear back. Live in East Providence, Hannah Cotter, 12 News.